Hello. Welcome to another Legacy Windows version tour. We're going to be looking at Windows 3.1. The first version of Windows 2, that it had the change it from tiling to stacking. And then you get to Windows 2.86 and 3.86 and it adds better multitasking. This is Windows 3.11, which is the more better known version. Now, when you're looking at movies from the 90s, most of them are going to show you Macintosh or Unix.
It's a Unix system.
But there's this one film. Now, this main character primarily used Mac. She also has, to the right of it, a PC that presumably runs Windows 3.1, if not OS2 NT, but it's most likely 3.1, or better yet, NT 3.1. Yeah, I tried looking for some more appearances in pop culture, but I only found one in that movie, The Net. Enough talking, let's get right to it, shall we? It's not the ta-da because it's the... I think I installed the workgroups version. 3.11. Have it, yeah, because the workgroups, they change it to the chimes when it's supposed to be. Those are not even a ta-da. That's not very nice. Because it came back in Windows 95, I was like, the shutdown. Don't know why it's a ta-da for a shutdown, but like, yay, I got my shit done. Go over here, click on File Manager. And it's not like the File Manager you have in XP or 10. You have... It's this is MDI. In fact, goes down. You see this kind of resembles the Program Manager because that's based off MDI. And if you try to run that on Windows 95, it just looks like a bunch of windows. So they use MDI for this, so you can have multiple files within this one file manager. Unless I can open up... Nah, it just goes back to that one. That's how you pull up the files. And I just realized we have... Alright, so go to accessories. You have your right application. Changed it to control I. You have your Control C and Control V now, and you have insert object, and you can insert all these stuff. Control your header and footer, paragraphs, your fonts. Oh yeah, the fonts. You have like a better choice of fonts. You have most notably Arial, Courier New. What's the same as with one? The same font. Character bold. Enlarge. Then decrease. Oops. Z now. Character. Go ahead. Enlarge this. Like these. Enlarge. Change the font from Arial to Times New Roman. And it puts out a WRI format. This is Paintbrush. This opens up MSP, PCX. Puts out BMP files. So wait, call it pick, and it's a BMP. So. Oh, I don't know. Don't know this one. It's from Softbridge. So I guess record. Test. Save macro. And then run. So you just picks up what you did, and it like does that. If you're like doing like batch operations, that would be cool. No programming necessary. Calculator. A few things got changed a bit. You get scientific, the sine, cosine, tangent. So it's more advanced. It's supposed to look, ends up starting looking like this, but you can change it to digital, and it gives you the text time. Object packager. Find out what this is. Quit. Oh, I see what this is. Because I remember doing this like in Windows XP. I used to do this in my documents all the time. Put like spreadsheets and presentations and Word documents. This is a character map. Selects different characters from. I think it's only Windows NT that does Unicode until like the late 90s. I guess it's just the extended Latin. Let's go to the games. You all know this. This is Minesweeper. Reversy's gone, so while we don't have Reversy, we have a game that I know how to play, and that's Solitaire. So put that get there. That's Solitaire for you. Main, got control panel. Oh, yeah, you can change your colors. So you can change it to a red cinnamon. Designer, Emerald City. Ooh, this one you're gonna love. Fluorescent hot dog stand. LCD default. I guess you got like LCD stuff. What's this? Oh, this looks what that blue on gray. This is mahogany. That was a Hunger Games reference. This kind of looks like the one I had, but without that detracting. Oh, that looks plasma power saver. But you have to be in the mood for it, though. You can't really daily drive that. The blues, tweed, Valentine, wingtips. Now you may be wondering, what's a piff? What's a piff? Is this the predecessor to GIF? Or, if you're one of those people, GIF? It launches your DOS application, so it's like, you know when you create shortcuts on your desktop? So, you know when you install a program onto Windows, most of you guys are probably running Windows 10 as a requirement, no one's using 8, everyone's moved out from 7 because that's now not a good place to be using right now because it just lost support, which is a shame because that was the last best version of Windows that was actually had some good quality. They were able to flat design. It was you might look too ugly, but I don't know how you go from super detailed to basic. And I guess they were going to change it to that. So it's like easier. I know that's not arrow, but that's too black. We're gonna fit it. So what was I saying? Oh yeah, shortcuts. When you go to Windows 10, and you install, I don't know, Discord, Steam. Go to there and it'll ask you want to put a shortcut on your desktop. So these are the Allen keys, the predecessor to them, but they're only for DOS applications. So have your what the program's name is, program name is, what's called, the additional parameters, the startup directory, what kind of video we're working with, what memory you need, EMS, XMS, pre-sell, which got included in later versions. Kind of forgot. Oh, okay. Oh, it's gonna be alternating. Okay. This is a thing called blackjack. So let's. This has love. I guess that's a good thing because you don't want to go in there to like Las Vegas. You can go ahead and play this game, which apparently will work on Windows NT 3. It basically will teach you basic strategy so that you don't go over there, make an ass of yourself, and become bankrupt trying to learn the game. Rodent's Revenge. That's kind of tiny. Have to go in. Do we start? Wait. Oh. Take that, cat. Oh. I have to kill the. Oh shit. Oh shit. Crush it. Kill it. Crush it, kill it, technologic. Oh shit. Kill it. Oh shit. Oh shit. Shit. You'll probably know this one. This will probably look familiar to you. It's Ship's Challenge. So go on this ice skating. Go ice skating. Looks like he's ice skating. Hopefully that doesn't get content ID.
Bummer. Bummer.
Oh, I see. I see how this works. So it's to fill in the area. Not let the balls get in the way. Oh, so it's not that golf. So this is a pipe dream. Oh, it's from LucasArts. Oh, I see. Well, that's the end. Well, I guess the pipe dreams died. Oh, Ski Free. I've heard this one. Kind of looks like Temple OS, to be honest. And then we have TrackTribe. And yes, this has turned from a old operating system review to game night. This is now a Let's Play. So, welcome to our gaming channel. If you have any suggestions of If you know any cool games to play on Windows NT 3, if you could just leave them in the comments below, that'd be great. Okay. Now I paid this game with my own money. And I can't solve this game. This game doesn't work. This game is rigged, bro. If you chat members say get good, I'm gonna have to ban you, and I don't want to do that. Okay. So if we could just cut that out, that would be great. Ooh, Tetris. Alright, this is the next game in our Let's Play. It's like the Tetris we all know and love, except Microsoft made it. This is Taipei. The game of skill. Oh, this looks like Mahjong. It is Mahjong. It's just under a different name. I thought it was just always called Mahjong. This is Tri-Peaks. Oh, I remember this. I replayed it on the mobile app. I used to play this. I used to play solitaire all the time in Spanish class. Play the advisory and all that. I just got really addicted to that game. Oh, character map. We have to go in there and see if we can. Hebrew, Bengali, Oriya, Thai, Greek, currency, letter-like arrows. Yeah, when I told you that the Windows 3.11 didn't support Unicode yet, this had support for Unicode right there. So if you like what you saw, comment, like, subscribe, and that's all I have to show you. Because when you install Office, it puts all these little icons right there. It wants me to run share.exe in order for it to work properly. Can we do Excel? You must load share. What's share.exe? No thanks.